before I devour this thing, I just want to show you really quick. So I got a sandwich called the Bomb. Look how big it is. It's as big as my fucking forearm. I can't even begin to think. So I'm going to put it in my backpack. I'm going to rush home with it. I'm going to rush home with it. And eat it there. Because I don't think I can possibly... Because the thing is, it's right now, I thought about going to Astoria Park, which could be really lovely, but could also be really crowded. And I really don't want to do that. Really don't want to deal with that. So I think we're just gonna send it. And what street is this? This is 35th. I think we gotta go on 23rd. That's gotta be it. All right, we'll do that. Terrible thing to do, but had to be done. Except I'm going the wrong way. Shit. I'm going completely the wrong way. Police. Oh, brother. I'll pull up to the front here. Just like so. That's what happens when you get all turned around. But those are, I think, like transit authority police. I don't think they can actually do anything to me. Long story short, welcome back to the vlog. Pretty sure it's probably going to be a whole new vlog. And I'll reveal the sandwich and then the other vlog. Or maybe it's going to be one long-ass, hour-long vlog. Now we got to just take it easy and not do anything crazy and silly as we try to get to the BQE. Yo. I feel like there's some sort of a misunderstanding here called traffic. I don't like it. Don't like it one bit. Those people are on a bike with no plates, no helmets. That's how they do it here in Queens, I'm guessing. That's totally fine. It's totally alright. Come on, give me a green light. Please. Please, please, please give me a green light. There we go. Come on. Definitely never been on Sound Street before. That's for sure. We'll just chill here for now. And BQE should be right there. 5.6 miles. 17 minutes. The bomb awaits. The bomb awaits. Should've just went to some park, but it's too late now. Plus I'm too hot. I would have been sweating. It's not how I want to experience the bomb for the first time. I'm sure we got just a few more minutes before we're splitting like an asshole on BQE. You know what I mean? Weird. The bike just shut off. Alright. That was weird. Why did the bike just shut off like that? Alright, we're gonna get a move on. I didn't like that. Didn't like that one bit. QE, please. Yes. Sweet. Why did the bike just shut off like that? Why would you go fast and not go faster? Probably cover my shield so the wind is not crazy. Seems to be no traffic, so that's kind of handy. It is a little bit out and about way, this one. There we go. Folks here usually get all confused and, you know, like, look at this guy. Why is he going so slow? It's not for me to figure out. It's for him to know and keep it to himself. Let's not be a jerk now. Let's be a nice guy. All right, is it time? Is it time for a new bike? Yes, I think it is. I think finally it is time. There we go. Normally I get to hit it here, but ooh, new Pathfinder, super cute. Beautiful day in New York City. Nice little adventure. Nice blast. Much better than the local way. I would have been just getting started on my journey, but now I'm damn near finished. We're gonna get off of Meeker. Not sure why the bike died. That is the biggest mystery here. I wonder if Meeker is busy. Hopefully not. All right, we'll take a right. It is indeed time. The sandwich is cold on my back. I like it. Everybody and their mama is trying to pull off here. Guessing the other exit is even worse. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's like a garbage dump around here. It smells like shit. I'm not the biggest fan, but we are going to pull in here. There we go. mildly aggressive, but nothing anybody else would do. Why did my bike just stall out? Something's happening to it. Somebody? Anybody? Thank you. And here we are. Here we are. Something's terribly wrong with my bike, and this time I'm not even sure what it is. It's like a motorcycle checkpoint back there. What the fuck? It literally is. Weird. See it? Or is it like a motorcycle party? I'm not sure. It's fine. It's either a checkpoint or party, or both. Or both. Either way, we've succeeded for the most part. Hopefully that sandwich is still cold, which I'm sure it is, because if it was getting delivered to me, it would take like 15 minutes, you know. And I'm certainly not waiting for this guy, Mr. Long Pole. Come on, give me that fucking green sugar, buddy. We're almost there. It was nice. We got to see Action Bronson. Before I devour this thing, I just want to show you really quick what it is that I'm working with. It's the size of my forearm. The bomb. Time to eat, boys.